Hello viewers, this is Flexible TV. Subscribe, share, comment, like, and then tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come and subscribe to Flexible TV. We have a lot of an amazing content for you. Today, this morning, we are at Kasua, Ghana, Africa, West Africa. I just saw this one and I want to just take a video of it and then learn from it. This is so beautiful and it's so wonderful. Look at how the birds have been fed. God is so wonderful. They were passing by and then they saw the food on the ground and then they decided to come and enjoy. It's so wonderful. Wow, this bird is so beautiful. Look at the color. Wow, 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 wow. You can see that they are very, 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 very hungry because hungry. My father used to tell me that hungry man is an angry man. Hungry man is an angry man. If I was hungry, anything, any petty thing, it can just irritate you. So you can see the bird are very hungry and they saw the food and then they are eating. This one there, it likes food because the way it's enjoying, you know. Yeah, we are right now at Kasua. We are just by the roadside. So the noise you can see cars are just so the noise is okay. What we want to focus on is the birds, how they are being fed. It's so amazing. Yeah, the power of God and the hand of God. If God can feed these animals, these birds, my brother, you will enjoy. So just have faith in God and then believe in whatever you are doing. Have faith and it shall be well. Once again, this is Flexible TV. Subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to Flexible TV. Yeah. It's so amazing and so fantastic. Wow. My friends, stay tuned and have a lot of an amazing content. God bless you.